Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pin Traveler app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pin Traveler is a travel diary and map-based tracking app designed for explorers who love documenting their journeys. The app lets you pin destinations on an interactive world map, add notes, attach photos, and organize trips to keep a digital record of your adventures. It also provides statistics like how many countries, cities, or continents you've visited, helping travelers visualize their experiences. Sharing features allow you to showcase your travel history with friends and family. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users enjoy Pin Traveler's clean, simple interface and the satisfaction of seeing their journeys mapped out visually. The ability to add personal notes and photos makes it feel more like a digital travel diary, while statistics help travelers stay motivated to explore more destinations. Frequent travelers and digital nomads especially find it useful for keeping track of their adventures. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel that advanced features, such as unlimited pins, detailed travel insights, and advanced customization, are locked behind a subscription. Others mention that while the app is easy to use, it may not offer enough depth for users who want more complex travel planning or detailed trip management tools. In summary, the Pin Traveler app may be worth using if you enjoy documenting your travels, want a simple way to visualize where you've been, and don't mind paying for premium features to unlock its full potential. However, if you're looking for a free, highly detailed travel planner, it might not completely meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.